cannot help but compare yung sitwasyon ngayon ni dating Pangulong Duterte sa kanyang sitwasyon ni Senator Laila before. Alam natin kung ano yung pinagdaanan niya. She was incarcerated for almost 7 years on trumped-up charges. Yung lahat lang na sinasabi ngayon, ano to first step towards accountability, justice, na pinagdaanan na ni Sen. Laila. Kaya, all this talk about everything that's happening, about due process, about how unfair everything is, lagi kong nababalik dun sa sitwasyon.